I will now show you how it operates. Insert this adapter. On the back you will find a USB-C port. When you plug it in, a message will appear indicating that therapy mode is ready. Let's unfold it. Press the button and secure it. Press this button on this side as well. If it doesn't press, it means it was locked in place. Slightly adjust the body while pressing and it will release. Listen for the clicking sound, then unfold it. The message will confirm that therapy mode is ready. It will automatically turn off after 20 minutes. When folded, it will turn off automatically. Now let's return it to its original position. Another way to use it is to position it behind for knee or scalp care. You can adjust it based on your needs. Unfold it like this and position it as needed.
Stopping dual therapy care. Exiting therapy mode.
It also has a lighting function. It is an indirect light that illuminates the wall. Since this is a production model, you need to remove this cover before using it. Right? When first turned on, it emits the dimmest light. You can adjust the color temperature and brightness. For brightness, press and hold the button. Press up to increase brightness. Press down to decrease brightness. The color temperature options are 4000 Kelvin, 6000 Kelvin, and 3000 Kelvin. You can stop at any point in between to set your preferred color temperature and brightness. You can also use the remote control. Due to the design, there is no designated space for the remote. This part here is the remote receiver. Take out the included remote and use it to turn the device on/off. You can also adjust the color temperature and brightness. However, it may not work well when used from behind. For best results, operate it from the front by pressing the button at the correct angle. For remote storage, this round part attaches magnetically with a click. This concludes the installation, operation, and lighting usage instructions for the dual therapy stand. This concludes the explanation of the dual therapy stand. Thank you.